Good afternoon again, folks. This here's Cutlass again, back with another bit of damage from Hurricane Isaias. Okay, this one narrowly missed the Jeep. This here's a London plane tree. It's obviously been here in Bay Ridge a long time, over 200 years. It's over here on 95th Street in Bay Ridge. And whoa, it's split in half. Crashed into the house over there. I'm sure the cameras in the house next door caught it. Like, wow. This is unbelievable, folks. Hurricane Isaias, also known as the tropical storm Isaias, literally caused damage. It split that tree in half. Dropped it in the entire house over here. Causing some damage to the porch roof and maybe some damage to the roof. London plane tree, over 200 years old, lived its life peacefully in Bay Ridge until Hurricane Tropical Storm Isaias came along and took the tree's life. Unless the tree was infected inside, we don't know. Look at that damage, folks. Look at that damage, folks. Look how bad that tree is, folks. Look how bad it is. And there's the damage. Everything else. I'm going to try to walk around here and see what we can get here, you know. It's a little hard to document. I'm try to walk around. Oh, this is hard. Yes, folks, look at the tree. This is a mess, folks. This tree is a mess. It's split in half, literally. Wow, it's just hanging by a thread, literally. Literally hanging by a thread. They missed the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thank goodness. This owner's lucky. He's just gonna have to move it out of the way. Let's just hope the tree don't slip down, because then that'll be the end of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It literally fell into the house. Yes, folks, it literally fell into the house. Okay, I don't know about damage to the roof. Oh, wow, folks. Hurricane Tropical Storm Isaias was a mess. A big mess, folks. Literally split the tree in half. It literally split this tree in half. Thank goodness there's no cars in that driveway over there. But dang, literally. It's literally held together. Oh, wait, maybe there was some tree rot there. I don't know. There was some kind of tree rot there, maybe. It's the end of this tree, unfortunately. Split in half. Try to get you another angle from across the street, folks. Try to get you another angle so you can see the widespread damage from Hurricane Tropical Storm Isaias. Told you folks I'd bring you another video. I'm going to give a shout out to the cowboy in Texas of Cowboy Crushing. Hey, cowboy out there in Cowboy Crushing. Y'all ever see a tree come down like this before out there in Texas or anywhere? You ever get hurricanes out there? Let me know, cowboy. That's right, folks. There goes the tree. What's left of it.
That's the one I did my report on.
People stopping to look at it. That tree had major damage. It's finished, the tree. Winds must have taken it out heavily because there were 40 to 70 mile-an-hour winds earlier. And heavy rain and stuff. You can still hear the winds a bit, but they're dying down now a bit. But there it is, folks. People slowing down to look at it. But this is it, folks. You can hear it. Interesting. Interesting matter. Okay, let's see if I can get back closer to it. See if I can get closer to it again. See what's going on with this here thing. Yes, folks, it had some kind of extensive rod or something in it. That's why it's split in half. And the house is literally holding the tree up. This thing could slide down any minute. That's why they don't want anybody to pass through. This thing this tree limb must weigh as much as a car, maybe more. Who knows? And everybody's looking at it, see? Everybody's stopping to look at it. People never saw something like this in quite a while. So now that's it. So we can find more storm damage. Okay, folks, so this is it, folks. So this is the final view of it before we are out of here. Everything broke down on it, literally. House is holding it up. The extensive rod, obviously. And some other branches growing out of it. Homeowner is saying over there that the roof is okay, telling his neighbor. That's the porch over there, got a little damage. The porch roof got a little damage, but it's a branch there where it's a London plane tree. And that's it, folks. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments below. And this here's Cutlass. We are out of here till the next video. Thanks for watching, folks, and hope you all safe and dry from the hurricane wherever you are. We're out of here. Bye, bye, bye.